Welcome to Arlington Community Arts. Today we're making knotted friendship bracelets. To make a spiral bracelet, begin by taking 3 32-inch pieces of string and tying the ends in a loop. Use tape to secure the loop to a table. Use one color to make a forward hitch knot over the other two colors. To make this knot, take one string and place it over the other strings to make a number 4. Then take the loose end, put it up through the hole, and pull it tight. Repeat this process until you have about an inch length of knots. After every few knots, your string may start to stick upright a little bit. When this happens, just flip it around to the other side of the other strings. Now that I have about an inch of pink knots, I'm ready to switch to white. I do that by taking the white string out and gathering the other two strings together. I then use the white string to tie knots. Here's an example of the string sticking up. I'm just going to wrap it around the side of the other strings. Keep going, tying knots and switching colors whenever you think is appropriate. When your bracelet is long enough to fit around your wrist, you're done. Begin your candy stripe bracelet by selecting 3 colors of thread and cutting them to 65 inches each. Fold the threads in half so you have 6 threads hanging down and tie the ends in a loop. Use tape to secure the loop to the table. Arrange the threads in the same order that you want the stripes on your bracelet to appear. I want mine to be red, then dark pink, then light pink. Using the first thread on the left, tie a forward hitch knot over the second thread 2 times. Next, move 1 thread to the right and tie 2 knots on that thread as well. Keep tying 2 knots on each of the threads until your knotting thread is on the right. You have finished the first part of the red stripe. Repeat your steps. Take the thread on the left and tie 2 knots on each string until it is on the right. The red stripe is now complete. Time to get started on the dark pink stripe. Repeat your steps using the left thread to tie 2 knots on each thread until it is on the right. The dark pink stripe is done. Repeat your steps to make the light pink stripe. Now you have one stripe of each color. Keep repeating your steps and I'll speed up the video so you can see the end result. You may find as the bracelet gets longer that it's useful to tape it to the table to stabilize it. When your bracelet is long enough to fit around your wrist, you're done.